Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho ho ho! Up here at the North Pole, my elves were busy, but not always careful. Hee hee hee. Inside, one little elf tried to wrap a present, and wrapped himself instead. Ho ho ho! Then another elf pushed a large toy train, and it zoomed through the workshop, knocking over toys. Oh my, ho ho ho! I peeked inside and couldn't stop laughing at my silly elves. Hee hee hee. My elves make Christmas extra fun. Ho ho ho. Even when things went a little wobbly, my elves always got the toys ready, just in time for Christmas. Ho ho ho. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.